If you've decided to stop using PandaDoc, I'll show you how to properly cancel your account so you won't get billed again. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Head over to the PandaDoc website and log into your dashboard. From there, look for the settings menu, usually on the left side with a gear icon. Inside settings, open the billing section where all your payment and subscription details are stored. Scroll down and you'll see the option to cancel your subscription. Click it and PandaDoc will show you what services you lose after cancellation. If you're sure, confirm the choice by clicking Cancel Subscription again. Once that's done, check your email for a confirmation message and review your next billing statement to make sure no charges appear. If anything goes wrong, reach out to PandaDoc support for help. And that's it. Your PandaDoc account is cancelled. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials like this.